Our team at Recoveris have been doing hundreds and thousands of investigations, whether tracing lost or stolen crypto assets or checking the provenance of funds, doing source of funds analysis. There's been a growing demand for this type of services, either because the numbers of scams and crypto-related crimes have been surging, or because of the growing adoption of digital assets on the side of traditional financial players and VASPs. Basically, it became impossible for us to service all the demand with the existing capabilities. We realized that the only possibility to do it efficiently is to automate the whole investigative workflow. We've developed different tools that make the work of our investigator easier. And we also realized that while doing all these investigations, we collect a lot of valuable feedback, data, and experience. We believe it would be a waste not to utilize it in any shape or form. Therefore, we decided to start training an AI domain-specific model specifically for blockchain investigations. We believe that the model trained on thousands of complex cases may be useful to address the growing needs of the market. As value is moving on-chain and we'll have tokenized financial instruments and tokenized real-world assets, there will be new compliance challenges that we as an industry will need to face. Those challenges may be answered not with human-led compliance processes because of, for example, lack of speed, lack of efficiency, and lack of resources. There's simply not enough experts to trace these assets and do proper source of funds analysis. Therefore, we need to build solutions that automate investigative workflows, that automate compliance processes, and ideally employ artificial intelligence to service those needs. Definitely the most exciting product that we've been building is the AI domain-specific model, the digital asset investigator. For now, we call it CoTrace. It's a product that already employs the AI model that we have trained on thousands of cases, and we fine-tuned using AI models as well, LLMs, AI agents, and our investigators who are world-class experts in the area of blockchain intelligence. We are confident that already today, our product CoTrace can significantly enhance capabilities of blockchain investigators, whether on the side of the blockchain investigations and forensics, or on the side of source of funds analysis. Of course, our ultimate goal is to train a model that will be able to replace humans doing blockchain investigations fully. We believe it's going to be achievable, and this is our North Star as a company. What differs Recoveris from other blockchain intelligence companies is the fact that we combine our world-class experts, hundreds and thousands of cases we do, complex cases coming from different types of players and different types of challenges. We combine this with the fact that we're also building products. There is a whole suite of products that allow us to automate the investigative workflow, that allow us to more efficiently service needs of different clients, whether they come from traditional financial industry, VASPs, or law enforcement. And eventually, we use all the data and know-how and experience we amass while servicing our clients to train an AI domain-specific model, building an AI digital asset investigator that is our North Star as a company. One of the largest challenges that we face as Recoveris is that specifically the public sector and law enforcement agencies are far behind the criminals who, as usually, adopt novel technologies, cutting technologies very fast. Unfortunately, law enforcement and public sector lags behind. So whenever we talk with this type of actors, there's not always proper understanding, and we need to take them on a journey, educate, and explain that by employing blockchain intelligence services and using products that companies like Recoveris build, their work can be much more efficient.